Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study the exercise 2.1 from the chapter rational number of class 8. So here you can see the first one. Okay, this is the first question. So using appropriate properties, find, first one is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6, and second one is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Okay, so let us see how to solve the first one. So as we can see here 3 by 5 is 2 times. Okay, and 2 multiplication signs are given. So here we have to use properties and solve this. So how we can write this is minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 will be as it is, and this part, what is multiplication here, 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 we will bring here. You can even cross this or you can keep it as it is, plus 5 by 2 what is remaining we will be keeping at the last. So you can see here this is repeated. Okay, 3 by 5, this is x into y, and similarly y into x. If you repeat this here, it will be y into x. So we can say this is a commutative property. Using commutative property we have done this like this. Okay, so next, as we can see here, what we have done here is we will take this 3 by 5 common here with a minus sign. You can see here both the side we are having minus sign before multiplication. So minus 3 by 5 will be keeping here into what is remaining with us, 2 by 3, plus, as we have taken minus common, here we are left with plus 1 by 6, and this remaining part plus 5 by 2. As you can see, this is according to the distributive property. We are having this formula for distributive property. X into y plus z is equals to x into y plus x into z. So this form we are having here. As you can see, x into y, this is x into y, this is x and this is y, x into y plus, okay, plus x into z is given. See, x into z. You can see x is common here, whereas y and z are different. But here plus sign and here minus sign is there, which after taking minus as common will become as a plus sign. Okay, next moving on, minus 3 by 5 will be as it is into, as you can see here we cannot add this number because here denominators are different. So what we have done here is I have multiplied 3 6 are 18. Okay, and 3 into 6 is giving us 18, so we have to multiply with the numerator also. 2 into 6, 2 6 are 12, plus 6 3s are 18 we will be having. So multiply the same number with the numerator, that is 1 into 3, 1 3s are 3, plus 5 by 2. So keep this minus 3 by 5 as it is into 12 plus 3 is 15 by 18 plus 5 by 2 as it is. As you can see here, we can, as here multiplication sign is present, we can divide this numbers. Okay, so 5 ones are 5 3s are 15, 3 ones are 3 6 are 18, plus 5 by 2 will be as it is. So we are left with minus 3 by 6, you can see minus sign, and 3 by 6 we are left with 3 by 6, plus 5 by 2 as it is. Now even here we can see we cannot add this both the number as the denominators are different. So what we are going to do is I have multiplied here 6 2s are 12. Okay, so it means 6 into 2 is 12 and here 2 into 6 is 12. So as we can see here 6 into 2 is 12. You have to multiply this 2 to the numerator also. So it will become minus 3 into 2, that is minus 6, plus similarly here 2 6 are 12 we are having, so it means we have to multiply 6 to the numerator 5. So 5 6 are 30. So 30 minus 6, it will be 24 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 2s are 24. We are left with the answer as 2. Okay, moving on to the second question. So as you can see here, even here we are having 2 by 5 as a common with a multiplication sign. So what we can do, we can group this in one side first. So 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. This is we have done using commutative property. What we have done is this part 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 we have brought this to this side, and this part minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 we have kept after this part. Okay, only here we have done the grouping of these similar numbers so that it will come under your commutative property. So this will be according to your commutative property. Now according to our distributive property, we got here x into y plus x into z. Okay, so we can write this in this form, x into y plus z. Okay, so this is our x 2 by 5 into what is our y is minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 is our z. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 will be as it is. As you can see here, multiplication sign, we can divide this number, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, here we are left with 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. See here in the first case what I have done is I have multiplied this number. So here you can take LCM also. I have done this for you. So 7 and 14, we have to take the LCM of 7 and 14. So 2 7s are, see this 7 cannot be divided by 2, so 7 we have kept as it is. 2 7s are 14. So 7 1s are 7 and 7 1s are 7. LCM is 7 into 2, that is 14. Okay, so we will take LCM as 14. So 7 2s are 14 we are getting. Similarly here we will get 2. Okay, minus 2, 3 minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 plus, so 14 1s are 14. Here also you have to multiply with 1, so it will be 1. Minus, we are left here with minus 1 in the numerator and in the denominator 2 into 2, that is 4. So 2 by 5 will be as it is. Here we are left with 5 by 14 minus 1 by 4. As you can see here, brackets means it is a multiplication sign. What we can do is 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, we can cancel it, and 5 and 5 we can cancel. Okay, what we are left with? Minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. So even here we can see we have two different numbers in the denominator, so we cannot subtract this. What we have to do is we have to take either LCM or we can directly divide it like this. 7 4s are 28. Okay, 7 into 4 and 4 into 7. Similarly, you will multiply here 1 into 7 and 1 into 4. So minus 4 minus 7 will be minus 11 divided by 28. That's all is your answer. Next we will study the second question here, that is write the additive inverse for the following. Okay, so what is additive inverse? Additive inverse here means only you have to change the sign here. Okay, that is 2 by 8 is equals to, it will become minus 2 by 8. As you can see, 2 by 8 is positive here. You can only change its inverse as additive inverse as by changing its sign, that is from positive to negative, that is 2 by minus 2 by 8. Second one is minus 5 by 9, which can be written as plus 5 by 9. Third one is minus 6 by minus 5. As you can see here, there are two minus sign. Okay, both the minus sign will be cancelling each other as both are divided by each other. So both minus sign, if it is cancelled, it will become plus, that is plus 6 by 5. So what is the additive inverse for plus 6 by 5 is minus 6 by 5. Next, fourth one is 2 by minus 9, which will become plus 2 by 9, and 19 by minus 6 will become plus 19 by 6. So third one, verify that minus of minus x is equals to x for first one, x is equals to 11 by 15 and x is equals to minus 13 by 17. So as you can see, there is one condition here. We have to verify this for x is equals to 11 by 15 as well as x is equals to minus 13 by 17. So let us first write that condition, that is minus of minus x is equals to x. So we can write minus as it is, this minus as it is. What is our x? 11 by 15. So we will write our x value as 11 by 15, which is equal to x. X is 11 by 15. So you can see here minus into minus will become plus. Plus 11 by 15 is equals to 11 by 15. So this condition is verified. So it is verified. As you can see for the second one, x is equals to minus 13 by 17. We have to substitute the value of x as minus 13 by 17. So this is the formula what they have given already in the question. So minus as it is, this minus as it is. What is our x? X is only minus 13 by 17, which is equals to our x is minus 13 by 17. So here you can see this minus as it is, and minus into minus will become plus. 13 by 17 is equals to minus 13 by 17. So plus into minus, so it will become minus 13 by 17, which is equals to minus 13 by 17. Even this is verified. Moving to the fourth question. Write the multiplicative inverse for the following. Okay, we have to write the multiplicative inverse for this following. What is multiplicative inverse? What you have to do here is you have to make it up and down. This number must be reversed. So this is minus 13 divided by 1, isn't it? If there is nothing below in the denominator, it means it is divided by 1. So it will become minus 1 by 13. Second one is, see here in case of multiplicative inverse, there is no sign change. The sign will be as it is, only the number will be reversed. But in the case of additive inverse, numbers will be as it is, only the signs will be changed. Okay, so here it became minus 13 became minus 1 by 13. Similarly here minus 13 by 19 became minus 19 by 13. Only the number is reversed. Similarly here 1 by 5 will become 5, and minus 1, as you can see here, minus 1 divided by 1 it is. So as it is reversed, it will again become minus 1 divided by 1 itself. Okay, so it is minus 1 same as it is minus 1. So here you can see minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. This is the question. First what you have to do is you have to solve this multiplication. Okay, after solving this multiplication, what we are going to get is plus 2 by 5. As you can see here, minus into minus will become plus, and 1 into 2 will become 2. 2 by 5. We got here plus 2 by 5. So what is the multiplicative inverse of plus 2 by 5? That is 5 by 2. Similarly here minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7 is given. First we have to solve this multiplication, then we have to give the multiplicative inverse of this. So it is minus into minus will become plus. 5 3s are 15 and 8 7s are 56. So as we write the reverse, it will be 56 by 15. Okay. So the fifth one, name the property under multiplication used in the following. So here you can see there is some property used, just we have to tell which property is this. So minus 4 by 5 into 1 is equals to 1 into minus 4 by 5 is equals to minus 4 by 5. As you can see 1 is common here. So 1 is nothing but the multiplicative identity here. So this property is 1 is the multiplicative identity. It means it is the multiplicative identity here. Okay. Second one is minus 13 by 17 into 2 by 7 is equals to 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 7. So you can see this is written as x into y is equals to y into x. So you can say this is under commutative property. Next comes minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19, which is equals to, when you cancel this, you are going to get 1. So as soon as you get 1, you can say that it is a multiplicative inverse. Okay. Okay, we will see the next one, that is sixth one. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. As you can see, they have told us to multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So what is the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is minus 16 by 7. So on multiplying 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16, we get minus 16 by 7 into 6 by 13, which is equals to minus 96 by 91. Okay, the seventh one, tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. As we can write this, 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. As you can see here the bracket is for x, y and z, whereas here the bracket is for x and y. So this property is under associative property. So just we have to tell here which is this property. So it is under the associative property. So next comes, is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 of 1 by 8? Why or why not? If it is yes, then also we have to tell why, and if it is not, we have to tell why not. Okay, so what is minus 1 by 1 by 8? So this can be written as, when you multiply, this is in a mixed fraction, you have to convert this into improper or proper fraction. So it will be 8 into minus 1, that is minus 8 into minus 1 plus the numerator plus 1 divided by 8. So this is 8 into minus 1 is minus 8 plus 1 divided by 8. So minus 8 plus 1 will give us minus 7 by 8. So multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9 is 9 by 8, whereas the multiplicative inverse of minus 7 by 8 is 8 by minus 7. So we can see there is no relation here. So when we multiply this both, okay, 8 by 9 as well as this minus 7 by 8, we should get 1. If it is the multiplicative inverse, we should get 1. If it is not 1, then it is not the multiplicative inverse. See, we should get 1, which is not possible here. We cannot get 1 here. So 8 by 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 of 1 by 8. Okay, so similar question is given in the ninth one. Is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3? Why or why not? So as you can see here, 0.3 can be written as 3 by 10. As you can see, when you multiply this 3 by 10, you are going to get 0.3. So 3 1 by 3 can also be written as 3 into 3 plus 1 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10 by 3. Okay, when you multiply this both the numbers, that is 0.3 into 3 1 by 3, what you are going to get is, so this we have converted this number into 0.3 as 3 by 10, and we have converted this number as 10 by 3. So as you can cancel 10 and 10, 3 and 3, you are left with 1. We get the answer as 1. So we can say that 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3. So next comes, write the rational number that doesn't have a reciprocal. Okay, the rational number which is not having any reciprocal is 0. The rational number that are equal to their reciprocal. So here we are having two rational numbers, that is plus 1 and minus 1. This is the rational number which are equal to their reciprocals. The rational number that is equal to its negative. Negative is nothing but 0. Okay, the next one is fill in the blanks. So 0 has no reciprocal. Okay, the number plus 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocal. As we know that plus 1 and minus 1 numbers are having their own reciprocal. The same thing is written again. Okay, the reciprocal of minus 5. What is the reciprocal of minus 5? This minus 5 is, we can say this minus 5 is minus 5 divided by 1. So we can write it in the reciprocal form as 1 divided by 5 with a minus sign as it is. Okay, reciprocal of 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0, is, if you reciprocal this 1 by x, you will get the answer as x. So next, the product of two rational number is always a rational number. When you multiply two rational numbers, the answer will be a rational number itself. The reciprocal of a positive rational number, okay, whenever you reciprocal a positive rational number, you will get the answer as positive. Okay, here the exercise 2.1 is ended. Okay, I hope you have understood this video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.